Let's light it up!
Huh? I ride on wind and cloud alike. Swift and merciful. Spirit blade, attack! One with my blade.
Let's light it up!
A touch of frost. Submit for judgment. Swift and merciful. One with my blade.
I'm going in!
Swift and merciful. Spirit blade, attack! Swift and merciful.
Let's light it up!
One with my blade. From whence you came. A touch of frost. One with my blade. Submit for judgment.
Come a little. You're in for a little shock. Hit. Get.
Swift and merciful.
Let's light it up. Let's light it up! Everybody stand back!
It's too early to relax. We're still not done with Storm Terror. Besides, the Fatui could also be planning something.
Hey, Diluc. I heard that the Fatui have recently proclaimed you persona non grata.
What an honor. Nobody was ever proclaimed persona grata by the Fatui anyway.
The Fatui? The diplomatic delegation from Snezhnaya? What have they got against Master Diluc?
The Fatui are a problem not only for the Knights, they also present a real threat to the whole of Mondstadt. And when it comes to threats against Mondstadt, Diluc is...
That's enough, Jean. You Knights are subject to too many restrictions. You can't directly confront this so-called diplomatic scum. Personally, I despise them. If I were to choose between eating a cryo-slime alive or joining the Fatui, I'd prefer to be crushed to death by a meteorite.
Jeez, your wording is so very dramatic.
Off we go!
But how? One with my blade. Fourth, my blade. From whence you came! Huh?
That's gonna hurt in the morning. Adventure time. Off we go. Adventure time.
Swift and merciful! One with my blade! Huh?
Teamwork is dreamwork.
Submit for judgment! Forth, my blade!
Come a little closer. You're in for a little shock. Right. Let's spark things up a little.
A touch of frost! Spirit Blade! Attack! I'm a bit rusty.
You're in for a little shock. No pain, no gain. Oh my. No pain, no gain.
Well, that's not bad.
Woohoo! To Fallen Protection Squad, assemble!
Let's put our crystals together. Oh. The color of these crystals looks muddy. Dvalin, you're going through so much pain. Let's start purifying these crystals first. Please, Traveler.
It is hard to believe such a thing is possible until you've seen it with your own eyes.
Interesting. It's like filtering wine. The process is refreshing.
I think we should have enough tears now. So next we... use the crystals on the Holy Lyre like last time.
It worked!
It seems completely different from before.
The Lyre's animo power seems fully restored. We should be able to use it now. It's all thanks to you.
Now, where should we summon Storm Terror? It must be away from the city, else there will be casualties should we fail. Perhaps here at the winery?
If the winery was destroyed, it's not something I couldn't eventually fix. But I'd still rather not go through the hassle.
The wind that blows at sea or in high places should be able to carry a bard's words far away. It's never going to work if the air is too dry or suffocating.
Paimon understands sea or high places, right? Then the best location to play the lyre would be...
If you go east from Starfell Lake, there are mountains south of the beach.
Oh, you mean that beach we were on when you told Paimon about your sister?
If you head to where the cliff juts out, that place is known as Star Snatch Cliff. What do you think, Bard? Meets the requirements, no?
Let me think. Star Snatch Cliff. All right, let's do it there.
Very well. Then let's meet at Star Snatch Cliff when we're ready. Please don't be late.
Yes, ma'am!
Sorry. I didn't mean to...
Oh, how awful. It can't be.
Well, that's not bad.
Benny's adventure team! Assemble!